Hey all, this goes out to my Amazon Prime users. There's a feature that some of you know and a lot of you don't know about. If you were looking for ways to help out Bills and Nayfig, this will probably be the simplest one because you don't really have to do anything and it's already using services you already pay for. You'd have to make sure that your Twitch account is linked with Prime, obviously. And then you just simply come over, hit the subscribe button, scroll to the very bottom, and just hit the use your Prime sub button. Yeah, the downfall is this, is that you have to come back every month. You can't set it for reoccurring, so it will, disable, and then you have to come back. As long as you have a Amazon Prime account, it will always give you that free 1 month sub. Uh, I figured I'd share this little quick, easy how-to video. Some people were having issues with
Oh,
it.
yeah.